Hello guys and welcome back. This is the part 2 of the Sky Protect video. We will see how the system operates, how the app works, and let's go. So let's talk about the contact sensors that you can install on your door or window. You can see on the application the status of the things. Basically, they say to you when it was open, when it was closed. You will see when we open the door, it has a small LED light there, and it's gonna say that it's open. You saw that? Contact sensor open. So basically, the status again changed. Contact sensor off. The motion sensor, in which you can install on your whichever room you like. They are wireless, 2-year battery. And again you can see on the app. So this is the indoor camera, in which you can get with a kit. It has motion detection, and you can install it in your bedroom or your dining room. I have the camera facing outside because I want more security for my house. So it's a very decent camera. You see some delay on the movement, but when it records on the video, it doesn't lag like that. It's just when it live streams that it does that. And this is the camera that has the control of all the sensors of the house. So this is the leak sensors. It has a temperature function on it and a humidity system. Basically, you can have 3 leak sensors and water sensors, as on the app says. The main function is to check if you have any leak at your plumbing, but it says that you can use them to check your rooms. If you have a baby or something like that, you want to check the temperature in the room and the humidity. It's a good idea. That's why I have it on my wardrobe. So this is the 2 sensors I have installed at my house. It's from the kitchen. It says that it has 81% humidity, and the current temperature on the plumb under the sink, it's 16 degrees. And in the bedroom, the one you saw now, it says that it's 60 degrees. That one, they have an alert system. I can show you that if they detect water, they sound an alarm, and there is a function in the app that says if something goes wrong, incident escalation. You open this function and it will call someone from emergency, like your landlord or something like that, that you have a leak and they have to fix it. So now let's see how the video doorbell works. If someone is outside, imagine you're working outside or you're not at home. So let's see how the doorbell works. So as you see, we have a notification that someone is on the front door. Okay, so we can talk if we press and hold. Hello, Zoe. So we can listen what the person wants. Thank you very much, Zoe. Thank you everyone for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and see you on the next one.